We'll see how companies calculate attrition rate using SQL. Attrition simply means employees leaving the company. Companies track attrition to understand which departments are losing more employees. The formula for attrition rate equal to employees who left divided by total employees multiplied by 100. Now let's look at the table. We have employee ID, employee name, department, employment status. Employment status tells whether the employee is still active or has left the company. Now let's write the query step by step. I select department because I want attrition department wise. From employees, I group by department. Group by creates separate groups for HR, IT, and sales. So SQL calculates attrition separately for each department. Now I'm using case. When employment status equal to voluntarily terminated, then I assign the value 1, else 0, and end the case. Here I basically check, has the employee left the company? If yes, then I assign 1, else I assign 0. Now I'll use sum. Sum basically gives us the number of employees who left the company, multiply by 100, divide by count of star. Count of star gives the count of number of employees in that department. Finally, I divide by total employees who left by total employees multiplied by 100 to get the percentage. Now let's run the query. HR, we have missed to give the name as attrition rate. Now run the query. HR has 0% attrition, that means no one has left the company from HR. IT has 50% and sales has highest attrition rate.